How to turn on or turn off save logins and passwords on Mozilla Firefox browser. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Firefox, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on those three lions, then go down here and click on settings. And now all what you have to do is click here on this privacy and security option and scroll down. Here you will find logins and passwords. As you can see, now you can enable or disable any of those informations. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.